Hi, welcome to RTA Cabinet Reviews. I am Ryan, and RTA stands for Ready to Assemble. Also, Ryan tries anything. So here we have the Kallax from IKEA. Kallax sounds like one of those things that the doctor prescribes you. Let's see if this Kallax is right for you. So here we have an 8-hole cube organizer. It weighs about 73 pounds in the package, so 2 people are recommended whenever you try to transport this and assemble. It's held together by dowels, so it's pretty secure, pretty easy to assemble. In fact, it was an ease to assemble this. And then the metal bolts that go onto the ends, they go in through pre-drilled holes. So that makes everything much smoother. I wish that most people or most assembly companies actually kind of thought to do that. So great, easy assemble. The challenge is trying to get all the dowels to line up because it's like tic-tac-toe talk, because there's 4 of them. But once you get it assembled, it takes only about 40 minutes, and I gave this a 4 out of 5 cubby holes because, well, it's a nice piece that's going into your room. However, it's a little plain looking, and I wish there was a little bit more pizzazz to it, but that's just a personal preference. If you want to see more of these reviews, go to our blog where you can look up Ultimate Cube Storage Review, and you'll be able to see more of these comparisons on RTA Cabinet Reviews.